Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Depends on where you are watching me from. You are welcome back to my channel today. This is your brother 1042. You know, in this my channel, I give you update news, anything you want to hear about truth, what is happening all over the world. Here in my channel, you will get it. I thank all my viewers. I thank all my subscribers. I thank you. Even if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Today I want to give you an update of what our dear sister said. But before I go on, I must have to give you the way I see about her update before I will play the video for you. It seems that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu being in DSS all this while, that Igbo government, Igbo leaders, and all youth don't care, because it's quite clear that last time it been posted Davido something, all the youth throw on and talk about it, they trend it and make it, they share everything. But when it comes to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue, nobody cares to share. But I will not say everything about this video. I would like you to watch this video. Remember, if I do what you like on my channel, in this channel, and if today is the first time you are watching me, kindly subscribe and put on notification so that anytime I post video, you will be notified. I would like you to watch this video very well, and I'm going to watch it with you. Remember, after we come on comment section and say anything we want to say, let's go to this video, okay? I appreciate you. Thank you.
Nnamdi Kanu is not doing well in DSS custody, according to his lawyer, Ejimako. I was expecting this news to be trending, but it's not, and I don't know why. Torturing Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody is torturing the whole of Igbo race. Torturing Nnamdi Kanu, assaulting his fundamental human rights, is assaulting the whole of Igbo race. Where are our traditional rulers? Where are our religious rulers? Where are the state governors? No matter the crime of Nnamdi Kanu, he should not be suffering in DSS custody. At least take Nnamdi Kanu to a prison yard. That is what I'm proposing. The lawyer said that Nnamdi Kanu does not sleep with pillow. Nnamdi Kanu's health is deteriorating. They injected Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu stays in a tiny room for 23 hours. The 1 hour that he is supposed to see sunlight, he's not allowed to interact with anybody. They are isolating him. How will you feel when they keep you in a room for 1 week? Are you going to survive it without interacting with anybody? No television, nothing. That is what Nnamdi Kanu is passing through in DSS custody. According to the lawyer, Nnamdi Kanu is putting on just one cloth. Since how many months that they kidnapped him? And you're keeping quiet because he's not your brother. You're keeping quiet because he's not your husband. You're keeping quiet because he's not your son. Is that why you guys are keeping a grave silence? Is that why everywhere is quiet? Is it not supposed to be trending? If it was your brother, will you keep quiet? If it was your brother, will you keep silent? You guys are afraid to talk about Nnamdi Kanu because you feel police is going to arrest you, and you've forgotten that you are as good as walking dead. I don't expect this from most of you. He does not deserve your timeline or what? He does not deserve your time on Facebook. He doesn't deserve your time on Instagram. Why is this news not trending? He's suffering. They are breaking him physically, psychologically, mentally, emotionally. They are breaking him gradually. And if they continue like this and we continue keeping silent, you will wake up tomorrow and hear the shocking news of your life that he suffered. He couldn't make it any longer. God forbid, I don't wish it for Nnamdi Kanu. But action speaks louder than voice now. Action speaks louder than voice. At least I am proposing that he should be taken to prison yard where he will see people. It's much better than isolating him, keeping him in a tiny room. Imagining the thing is making me to have migraine already. Because I know I can't stay in a place for even 3 hours without talking to anybody. Why are you guys keeping quiet? Where are the men? Our men are now gossiping online. Men don't gossip. Where is your manhood? Where is your manhood? What makes you a man? The manhood you have is what makes you a man. A man doesn't gossip. Gossip is left for women. Keep this talking for women. Our men act, not talking. Men are now gossiping from one place to another. Mr. A did me this, Mr. B did me this. The leader of Biafra is suffering. He is not a terrorist. Even Osama bin Laden that destroyed the World Trade Center was not treated the way they are treating Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody dungeon. You guys know what Boko Haram is doing presently. You know Boko Haram has destroyed the north. They have captured many communities. They have even taken armor tankers from army people. You know what they are doing. They are even collecting tax. They are asking for rice, gari beans, they are kidnapping. I have not heard that Boko Haram is in DSS custody. At least, Boko Haram that has kept people like this in the north are supposed to be kept like that and tortured. Even Boko Haram is not... Your fundamental human rights, you shouldn't be abused when you are still not guilty. But the Boko Haram that we are seeing what they are doing, that are supposed to be kept in DSS dungeon, they are not treating them like that. Fulani herdsmen, you guys know what they did and what they are still doing. They raped our sisters, they butchered our father, they destroyed farmlands. Fulani herdsmen are not in DSS custody. But Nnamdi Kanu, for reasons best known to them, is in DSS custody where he's suffering. Keeping silent doesn't mean that you are not going to get the pain when it's time. I don't know why you are keeping quiet. Because he's not your brother, he's not your husband. That is why I say you guys are wicked. You know do wicked. You know do wicked. That is why this thing is not trending. He is suffering. Very soon now we will go to 25th of December. You guys will bring spoon to eat fried rice and chicken. And your brother is suffering in DSS custody. Torturing in Nnamdi Kanu is torturing Igbo race. They are holding Ndi Igbo in DSS custody. You guys should stop keeping quiet. This silence is killing me gradually. Our men should stop gossiping. You people talk too much. Leave this talking for women. Leave this gossip for women. That's manhood you have. You have to show it. That you are a man, not by gossiping. Taking seat or sitting down and gossiping from one place to another. Nnamdi Kanu is suffering. That is what the lawyer said. I am not wicked like you all. That is why I cannot keep quiet. I am not evil and wicked like all of you. That is why I cannot keep quiet. I cannot keep quiet because he's not a terrorist. He should not be treated as such. I was expecting this news to be trending everywhere. But it's not trending. Instead, one rubbish is trending. Davido 1 million challenge. And the celebrities are capitalizing on it. People, every other place, every other person is capitalizing. Let me paste my account number so that I will know whether people will give me money. Stupidity of a black person. Wickedness. That is why I call you guys wicked people. People are now capitalizing on the fact that Davido is talking about 1 million challenge. See your stupid celebrities. Everybody is now pasting account number. Begging online. You guys are now begging. This man is the person that is talking about liberating Africa. So that you people will stop begging. I know most of you are hungry, but you don't know how to come out and say it. You guys are begging when the man that wants to liberate Africa is in DSS custody, in pains. You don't want it to trade. You are pressing account number, telling your fans to come and pay. If you are worthy of the money, you shouldn't even beg your fans to be paying you money. Now look at people that are hungry. People that have not seen food to eat are giving 2,000, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000. That is what Africa is all about. You guys are so stupid. You guys are so useless. Look at the stupid thing that is trending. One rubbish is only in Africa that rubbish trend. Rubbish trend. Africans don't know how to stand up for their rights. If they even try to protest today and they tear gas them, everybody will run away. Nobody will talk about it again. That is why you guys are the way you are. Now this rubbish is trending. Begging online, pasting account number, telling people that have not seen food to eat to be giving you money. Tomorrow you people will go to church. You guys are wicked more than Lucifer. Who do wicked? He is not your brother. He is not your father. He is not your uncle. Therefore, we shouldn't talk about him. Because Nnamdi Kanu is in here, when we talk about him now, police will come after us. The name of Nnamdi Kanu is not good to hear. And you think you are living like this. You've forgotten that you are walking dead already. If anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu, the whole of Igbo race will be wiped out. I'm telling you because they will do you people shaggy. I get nonsense. I am proposing that Nnamdi Kanu should be taken out of DSS custody. Take him to prison yard. Ndi Igbo, please. Our traditional rulers, I'm begging you, religious rulers. I am begging you people in the name of God, please. Nnamdi Kanu should stop suffering in DSS custody. All these celebrities, go outside the country and see what celebrities do. They stand up and speak. They are not scared like people are always scared. That is why politicians, once you see a politician, you will look for a way to be collecting money from him. Rubbish is always trending. You go to church when you are deceiving yourself. Now it's time for you to pray for your brother, to talk about your brother so that they will bring him out of pain. You cannot do it. You are doing one useless challenge when you are begging people for money online. Stupid people, stupid African mentality. Your mentality now on our soul. You guys are wicked. It will not trend. It will not trend. The only thing that trend is in Africa, Nigeria precisely, is rubbish. Nonsense. Beggars online. Nnamdi Kanu is suffering in DSS custody. Action speaks louder than voice. Please. Nnamdi Kanu is suffering in DSS custody and something should be done. He shouldn't be suffering. He doesn't deserve to suffer. And there is no reason why he should suffer.